Dear students, I have opportunity to discuss about the IUPAC name of carboxylic acids. As you already know that carboxylic acids are classified as monocarboxylic acids, dicarboxylic acids and polycarboxylic acids. I shall take up each of them one by one. So I start with the monocarboxylic acids. Name of monocarboxylic acid. The compounds with one COOH group is called monocarboxylic acids. Monocarboxylic acid. Its functional group is COOH. Its secondary suffix is oic acid. Its secondary suffix is oic acid. Remember the rules of placing the root word primary suffix and secondary suffix as. That is root word. No, first you start prefix, then root word plus primary suffix minus E plus secondary suffix gives you name. So monocarboxylic acids are those acids which contain only one carboxylic acid group. The functional group for this group is COOH. The functional group for the acid is COOH. Its secondary suffix is oic acid. Remember the rules of placing the root word, primary suffix and secondary suffix as prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix gives you the name. Prefix represents the position of side chain or substituent. The prefix represents the position of side chain or substituent. Rest rules are the same. rest rules are followed as usual. Followed as usual. As already given to you. Rest rules are followed as usual, as already given to you. Now I put up the simplest example. For example, the first member of monocarboxylic acid is this formic acid. It has got carbon, so it is given number, lowest number. Root word is meth. Primary suffix is N. Secondary suffix is oic acid. Delete, remove N, so its name is methanoic acid. Its common name is formic acid. As it is obtained from red ant. As it is obtained from the red ant. That is formica in Latin word. It is obtained from red ants, that is formica in Latin word. So its name formic acid is derived from formica, which means red ant. Second example, CH3COOH. Number 1, number 2. This functional group has got carbon, so it is given number, and the lowest number, so it has got 2 carbon atoms. Root word is eth. Primary suffix is N, is deleted. Add oic acid. Its common name is acetic acid. Acetic acid found in vinegar. Found in vinegar. The other example, CO2H. 1, 2, 3, 4. Root word but, primary suffix in, e deleted, oic is added. Butanoic acid. We can also write it butane 1 oic acid. We can write butanoic acid simply, or can write butane 1 oic acid. It makes no difference. The other is CH3, CH2, 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 COOH. This is hexanoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hex in E deleted hexanoic acid. Note that butanoic acid and hexanoic acid make the ginkgo seed very bad smelling, which we call nasty smell. nasty smell. The ginkgo seed, ginkgo seed, very bad smelling. Note that butanoic acid and hexanoic acid make the ginkgo seed very bad smelling. Now write this. Ginkgo seed very bad smelling. The other example of monocarboxylic acid is the oleic acid. I can write the structure like this: CH2 COOH, CH2 CH3. This is, in common sense, it is called oleic acid. Its IUPAC name is starting from this point, so 1, 6, 7, 1, 8. This is 9, this is 10, this is 11, and this 18. This acid contains 18 carbon. It is unsaturated. The unsaturated point starts from 9. So its IUPAC name is octadec. Octadec 9-in-1 oleic acid. Octadec 9-in-1 oleic acid. But this acid shows geometry because both substituent on this carbon atom, this is preferred over hydrogen, this is preferred, and between this and this is preferred. So the preferred substituents are on the same side, so it is Z. There are two types of geometrical isomers, E and Z. So this variety belongs to Z category. Numbering is, lowest number is given to this carbon: 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Phenyl, this is substituent, so its name will be 2-phenyl pent in E-1 oleic acid. One more important acid is CO2H. This is, its common name is acrylic acid. Acrylic acid. Its IUPAC name is prop 2-in-1 oleic acid. When carboxylic group is present in a ring. Second category, when COOH group is bonded directly to a ring system. In this case, secondary suffix is replaced by, in this case, secondary suffix is replaced by carboxylic acid. Replaced by carboxylic acid. This secondary suffix is replaced. Rest is same. See the example. This is cyclopropane. N is primary suffix, prop is its root word, and cyclo is prefix. So this is cyclopropane. Cyclo is prefix, prop root word, N is primary suffix, but no secondary suffix, because secondary suffix is replaced by carboxylic acid. So its name will be cyclopropane carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Remember, this E is not removed. Not removed. E not removed. This cyclohexane, name like the previous one, so it's cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. If ring system is benzene, benzene is common as well as IUPAC. This is, its name will be benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. Its other derivative is OH. This is COOH. This is on the ortho position, so it is ortho hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids. Its common name is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Name of dicarboxylic acid. Name of dicarboxylic acids. It contains two COOH groups. Its secondary suffix is dioic acid. Its secondary suffix is dioic acid. Dioic acid. For one it is oic acid. For one it is oic acid, but for two it is dioic acid. Rest rules are the same. Rest rules are as for monocarboxylic acids. Monocarboxylic acids, except terminal letter E. Terminal letter E of primary suffix is not removed. Primary suffix is not removed. I repeat again. Since it contains two carboxylic acid group, so secondary suffix is dioic acid. Rest rules are as for the monocarboxylic acids, with one difference. The terminal letter E of primary suffix is not removed. This is important point. Keep in mind. See with examples. This is it has got only two carboxylic acid group, so it is numbered 1 and 2. Root word is it. Primary suffix is in. This E will not be removed. 1, 2, position 1 and position 2 contains oic acid, so it is 1,2-dioic acid. 1,2-dioic acid. If you add one CH2 group in between these two, so its root word changes only. 1, 2, 3. Prop in 1,3-dioic acid. This is called, its common name is malonic acid. Malonic acid. If you add one more CH2, then it becomes succinic acid. Numbering like this. Root word but, primary suffix E will not be removed. 1,4-dioic acid. Its common name is succinic acid. Succinic acid. When CH2 it is 3, like this, then its IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is pent in 1,5-dioic acid. This is glutaric acid. Common name is glutaric acid, and so on. When two OH group is directly bonded to a ring system, then when two COH groups are bonded directly to ring system, then say for example it is cyclobutane. It has got two carboxylic acid at one point, like that. So its parent chain is ring is cyclobutane. Its carbon number is 1, 2, 3.4. So 1 dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid. Secondary suffix is replaced by. Secondary suffix is replaced. Secondary suffix is replaced by dicarboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid as shown in monocyclic system. Monocarbonic, as shown before, it is better to say, as shown before. Say two carboxylic groups are directly bonded to benzene ring, then COOH. So this is benzene, common as well as IUPAC is name benzene. 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. No secondary suffix. Its common name is phthalate acid. In case of tricarboxylic acid, so the monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid. Now third point is tricarboxylic acid. In this case, it is not possible to give secondary suffix for each of the carboxylic group. This is very important to know. In this case, it is not possible to give a secondary suffix for 3 carboxylic acid group. So in this case, carboxylic acids are treated as carboxylic acid groups are treated as substituent, not the part of secondary suffix, It is point to remember. For example, CS2, it has got 3 carboxylic acid group like that, COOH. You number the main chain 1, 2, 3, and this carboxylic acid as the substituent, so its name will be prop, primary suffix in 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. See other example, CS2, COH, CH2, COH, COH, 1, 2, 3. So it is 2-hydroxy, propane, 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Perhaps this acid is called citric acid. This OH, this is the hydroxy group, so it is as a substituent, so it is 2-hydroxy propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Perhaps this is citric acid. You compare yourself whether it is wrong or right. I think it is right. Thank you.